Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
So, if I fire one, there's the core rotation, boom, right? Boom, it comes back. When I throw two, the first one is deeper, right? Because I'm in this athletic ready position. And then it hits one. Then it comes back not fully. So it goes 1, 2. So see how it has that 1, 2, have that little pulse. Then when you go 3, it's 1, 2, 3. And you just see my knee coming back and in, back and in, back and in. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3. Just subtle, but you're still feeling that pulse.